Some Toyota vehicles are equipped with a dynamic force gasoline engine. These engines were specifically designed for application in Toyota's new global architecture, also known as TNGA. These engines are a key component in the TNGA platform's fun-to-drive characteristics. Dynamic force engines combine the latest Toyota technologies and provide the right balance between performance, fuel economy, and durability, which makes them a solid choice for daily driving duties. These engines used a cast aluminum block for weight reduction and enhanced fuel efficiency. Thanks to the ultra-low friction internal components, along with advanced Toyota internal combustion technologies, dynamic force engines deliver a world-class thermal efficiency. Dynamic force engines are designed to improve the speed of combustion process and minimize energy losses. These motors have a longer than a typical conventional engine stroke and a higher compression ratio for improved thermal efficiency. The angle between the exhaust and the intake valves has been widened, while the intake port shape has been changed to provide a more direct airflow path to create a tumble flow, a more controlled swirl pattern in the combustion chamber that distributes the air-fuel mixture more evenly ahead of the compression phase. This benefits power and efficiency. To optimize combustion, a combined fuel injection system, D4S, is employed. It uses both direct and port injection and controls fuel injectors for best performance, fuel economy, and lowest emissions, depending on the engine load. In light to medium load engine ranges, both direct and port injectors are used together to provide an optimal air-fuel mixture for lower fuel consumption and emissions. When the engine is under heavier loads, only the direct injection is used to improve fuel-air charging efficiency, help avoid engine knock, and increase its output. Dynamic force engines use a variable control system to effectively manage and optimize combustion while minimizing energy losses. Dual VVTi and VVTIE systems are employed to effectively control the intake and exhaust valve timing. The VVTIE system is installed on the exhaust valve side and uses an electric motor instead of the oil pressure. This allows the system to effectively control the valve timing and prevent engine knock even at low engine speeds, at low temperature with low oil pressure. Such a wide range of timing adjustments for both intake and exhaust valves results in improved fuel economy, increased engine output, and reduced emissions by supporting operation within both the Atkinson and Otto thermodynamic cycles. The thermal management of the engine is performed using a variable cooling system with an electric water pump, an electronically controlled thermostat, and flow shutting valves. The amount of coolant flowing to the engine, radiator, cabin heater core, and transmission oil cooler is intelligently controlled by the system to deliver a faster engine, transmission, and cabin warm-up or cooling depending on the situation. When the engine is cold and the pistons do not require additional cooling, the electronically controlled variable oil pump will adjust the oil pressure and stop the oil jets in the cylinder block to warm the engine up faster, reduce fuel consumption and emissions. To improve engine durability and accommodate for the increased cylinder pressure and thermal load, the combustion chambers have been reinforced. A water jacket spacer is used in the cylinder block to optimize the coolant flow and keep the temperature uniform, enhancing cooling performance and suppressing engine knock. The oil drain paths in the cylinder block are adjacent to the water jackets, contributing to a faster engine warm-up and improving thermal exchange to reduce the oil temperature under high load or when idling, further enhancing the durability of the dynamic force engines. Dynamic force engines combine Toyota's latest advancements in engine development to deliver a rapid combustion, along with the world-class thermal efficiency for enhanced output, fuel economy, and reduced emissions. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.